Hi, it's Shelly. Today we're going to take a look at how to create a screencast video and why you would need to make one. In order to do this, I'm going to show you how to create one in a website called screencast-o-matic. This is a free tool. You can use it without even signing up, or you can come over here and create a free account. I'm just going to use it without even signing up today to show you how to use it that way. Before I get started, I want to go up here in my browser and make sure that I have my slides or whatever it is you're going to be teaching on your screencast video ready to go. So I'm going to be using this slide deck just to demonstrate today. And that's a really great way to make a screencast, is if you have a slide deck in Google Slides that you can use. You can also demo from a website. So I could come in here to my Canvas and demonstrate how to do something in Canvas for my students if I wanted to, or anything else that's on the internet. But today I'm going to use this slide deck. So I'm going to come back here and I'm going to click Launch Free Recorder. And then a pop-up screen is going to come up and ask me if it can open my recorder. Okay, and as you notice, I have a frame here framing my screen, and it's saying anything within this frame is going to be recorded. So make sure that your frame is big enough for what you're doing. You're going to notice you have several options here. You can just set it to screen. You can set it to just webcam, or both screen and webcam. And I'm going to just set mine back to screen. So it's a nice option if you want to do both and have your picture down in the corner so your students can see you. So when I'm ready to go, I'm going to click the record button down here below. It's going to count me down. Okay, and now it's recording. So I'm going to quickly get over to my slides that I had ready, and I'm going to put them in present mode. And I'm going to talk and explain my slides, go through them. Then I can press escape when I'm done. And when I'm done recording, I'm going to come over here and press the pause button. You can play it back. Okay, if you decide you like that recording, you can click done. If you don't like it, you can click the trash and delete it and start over. So I'm going to click done. And it's going to ask you, do you want to edit or do you just want to save? I'm going to go in and edit so that I can trim out the very beginning. So I want to play. Okay, and I'm going to stop right here where it's in present mode, and I'm going to move this little bar all the way up to there. Now, as you can see, it says only this section will be published. So basically you're trimming this last part off. And then, so as you notice, this last part where I was going back and pressing escape, I don't want in there. So I'm going to trim it all the way back to about here. Okay, and so now this section is the only part of my video that I want. You have the option to add some music in it as background music. So I kind of like this cinematic. And I'm going to do this one, Perfect Ending. And you have some background music. And now that I'm done, my video is done just as quickly as that. And you have three options. You can save the video file to your computer, upload to screencast-o-matic. You'll have to have an account created for that, or upload straight to YouTube. I'm going to just download it to my computer. And then that way, let's see. That way I can either upload it to Google Drive if I want to. I can upload it to YouTube. I can directly post it. Like if I'm using Canvas, I can directly post it in my class. So to me, that's the most versatile. So I'm going to do it that way. So one quick reminder on creating a screencast video is I would make sure to keep your screencast in short chunks. So if you have a topic and it's going to take you a little bit longer to cover, try to break it up into some smaller chunks or steps and record several shorter videos For example, if you were going to do a 30-minute video, maybe chunk that into 3 10-minute segments instead. It's best to keep your videos to about 10 minutes or less. So thanks for joining us today to learn about screencasting, and I hope you'll join us next time.